Now we're going to look at different words ending in ILD. This is a special word pattern, and it has a long vowel before the final blend. So this says ILD, ILD. Let's practice with a couple of words. Ready? Tap and stretch. Wild. Tap and stretch. Wild. Say it fast. Wild. Yeah, wild. He was such a wild. What's this word? Child. He was such a wild child. Yeah, this is the word child. Let's try one more. Ready? I bet you're going to know this one right away. Mild. Good. Mild. That is the word pattern ILD. Ild. Here's another special word pattern where the vowel, it says its long sound in front of the final blend. Old. Old. Now let's practice this special pattern. Bold. Tap and stretch again. Bold. Say it fast. Bold. Bold. She was awful bold to say that. Okay, let's try another one. Fold. Let's do it again. Fold. Good. Say it fast. Fold. Let's sound out this blend with our special pattern. Scold. Sound it out again. Scold. Say it fast. Scold. Yeah, scold. To get scolded is to be fussed at about something. She scolded the wild child. Good job. Here is another one of our word endings that is a special pattern having a long vowel before the final blend. This says eind. Eind. Let's try it as a word. Ready? Find. Say it fast. Find. Yeah. Find. All right, let's sound out this word. Grind. Sound it out. Grind. Say it fast. Grind. Yeah, to grind up the corn to make cornmeal. Okay, this is a big one ending in our special pattern. We see we have two vowels, so we have two syllables, and I can see that re, R-E, is a prefix. A prefix is a syllable that comes before words to change the meaning. Okay? A prefix is a syllable that comes before words to change the meaning. So now that we have separated the prefix from the root word, we can sound it out. Ready? Remind. Say that again. Remind. Say it fast. Remind. Say it fast. Remind. I need to remind Mom to get more ice cream. Good job. Here is another word ending that has that special pattern of a long vowel before a final blend. And this one says olt, olt. Here it is in a word. Let's sound it out. Bolt, bolt. Say it fast. Bolt. A bolt could be a tool, right? Like that you put a bolt through a hole and then you put the nut on the end. Yeah. How about this word? Sound it out. Colt. Sound it out. Colt. Say it fast. Colt. Colt. A colt is a young horse. This is the special pattern and word ending. Olt. Good. Here is another one of those word endings that is a special pattern. It has a long vowel before a final blend. And this one says ost, ost. Let's practice it in a word. Post. Say it fast. Post. Yeah, we have to go to the post office. Good. Now let's practice this word. Tap and stretch. Most. Say it fast. Most. Right. I ate most of the cereal. Now we're going to add our suffix on the end. So how do we split it? We just take our suffix off and sound it out. Ready? Mostly. Say it fast. Mostly. Mostly. Good job. And that is our word ending with the special pattern having a long vowel before the final blend. Good work.